Amy Slutsky reporting live for MSNBCIA's exclusive coverage of the presidential debates pre-recorded on Zoom. Our democracy is functioning perfectly, and if you question it, all you have to say is start screaming about electoral denialism, and then the conversation gets shut down. I love the allowable parameters of debate in our thriving democracy. We have opening statements from Genocide Joe. We love Genocide Joe here at MSNBCIA, and then of course the response by the orange convicted felon. Convicted felon. Okay, let's enjoy this. Welcome to democracy. Politrick season again. Pre-recorded on Zoom debates.
My fellow Americans, this is Genocide Joe Biden. Listen, my foaming at the mouth, lip-tarded base of Rachel Mad Cow bobblehead collecting New York crime subscribers always love to pat themselves on the back for being good people, decent people who believe in things like restorative justice, rehabilitation of the carceral state. And yet all they can do now is gloat about the fact that my opponent is, last I heard he's a convicted felon. As if there's some sort of blight on his character.
Convicted felon.
They also laud me for being such a good guy, good old Grandpappy Prez. Even though I've single-handedly done more to put black and brown violent offenders behind bars than any befouled politician in American history. It's called the crime bill, Jack. I'm the guy that made it happen. I'm the guy. I'm a kid-sniffing, pedophilic, genocidal sexual predator who showered with his own teenage daughter. And these libtards still trip over their clits every 4 years to cast their vote for me. White women get me elected. Just to keep out the spray-tan convicted felon guy. I'm the guy that sacrificed an entire generation of Ukrainians on the altar of poking the Russian bear. And now we got Russian warships docked in Cuba. My grandpappy used to say to me, Joey, we brought the Nazis over here to start NASA. That's why, history just repeats. It just repeats and repeats. In this next Cuban Missile Crisis, we're not going to have JFK around to prevent the thermonuclear war. It's either going to be me and the shark-eyed sociopaths who tell me what to do, or a narcissistic game show host. So, I hope you got your bunkers still intact from the 50s. I'm gonna be fine. They got Cotton Newland's government plan for me, so I don't really care. I'm actually a 9,000-year-old demon that feeds off of fear and anger and pain. So, if we go thermonuclear, that just means this is like a good day for me. So cast your vote, you morons. Welcome to America.
Felon. Convicted felon. Sleepy Deepy Joe Biden, he's begging the Venezuelans for oil again. It's very sad. 5 years ago I was covertly sending mercenary teams of bearded serial killers in boats to take over the Caracas airport and cause a magical coup d'etat. And now my opponent is busy leading witch hunts against me and buying that heavy oil. It's very bad, very crude oil, They're calling my opponent Genocide Joe. It's right, they call him Genocide Joe, The fact is, nobody wants a genocide more than me. Many people are saying there's some very nice, very great real estate in Gaza just waiting there. It's right on the Mediterranean Sea, tropical climate, palm trees. I can see it now. Trump Tower, built on top of dead babies. It's gonna be beautiful, really stunning. I'm gonna bring back tacky gold plating to the historic land of Palestine. So I want my submental base of race-baiting, messianic, ethno-supremacist Christian Zionists to know this. I am Jesus fucking Christ, that's right. A vote for Donnie T is a vote for the rapture, baby. It's bipartisan support for genocide here in the Imperial Core. You know, I don't agree with the radical Democrats on very much, but we do agree on genocide. Genocide against the Palestinians. It's the built into the cake. It's Islamophobia built right into the cake, you know. You can bash Islam all day and it just gets you more and more votes in our beautiful city on a shiny hill. So pick your poison, sweethearts. I'm gonna keep my 50-50 debt with my assets and keep on dodging taxes right next to crazy Nancy Pelosi and Chuck the Schmuck Schumer, who he told Rachel Maddow there was 6 ways to Sunday for the intelligence agencies to come after me, and the libtards, they just clapped like little seals. Little seals, they just clap for the intelligence agency, they love them. So listen, O'Doyle rules, and it's politics season again, everybody. Welcome to the best goddamn nation this world has ever seen, and this time is different. This empire's never gonna collapse. You know, those other empires, they didn't know how to do things. They didn't know how to navigate. I'm a real estate developer. I'm a businessman, and this empire, this is different. This one's never gonna die. It's never gonna die.